I wanted to do a little bit of cooking. So I got my friend Emil to help me out with that. We are actually going to be doing a big thing between me and the boys. I know for sure Kurt and Parmby are in. However, one little thing. I don't cook, even though I used to be a prep cook before, but that's besides the point. That's really besides the point. Where I shined in the kitchen was actually as, yes, a dish maintainer. You might think of dishwasher, it's actually leagues ahead of it. You are expected with so much of the kitchen, pretty much the backbone, almost under the sous chef. If you know, you know. Sun Valley, very 3 Michelin stars if I remember right. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, we were gonna go cooking, and I am not a pro at that, and I thought I should get some practice in. What I have right now under the belt, guarantee, is like cereal, toast, definitely toast, and for sure mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is one of the harder endeavors for sure. One of my harder endeavors, but now I'm gonna be doing something a little bigger than that. What I've been looking at is a thing that Emil made when he was out here in the Valley of Swan, while all of me, Kurt, Parmby, and Nat were tuckered out because we were doing wholesome things and nothing debaucherous of the sort. We were tuckered out, and yeah, he made this thing. We woke up to some, it was just great. I don't even know what it is. I call it jambalaya. That's not even close to what that is. Anyway, he pretty much black boxed my entire house. And mind you, I don't do groceries. My groceries more or less consist of granola bars and chicken breasts, whatever spice I have. Yeah, anyway, I did wanna, up the ante a bit, up my cooking game a little bit. I decided that I'm gonna try and make this by myself with the small guidelines that I got through what recipe he put on Discord chat. I think it's gonna go good. I think it's gonna go good. I asked a lot of good questions, and yeah. Help me, please. So this is what we're working with. 2 cup rice, 3 cup water, 1 large onion, 1 clove garlic, half cup scallion, half to 1 cup chorizo, 1 can of canned chili, salt, pepper to taste, and parsley. Not bad! Hold it! But the thing is, you might have not noticed it. There was one little piece of movie magic here. I'm gonna play a playback right now. See the subtlety. It was actually not me placing the scallions, but a little bit of, what we call in the business editing. Just a little bit of editing there. The reason for that editing is actually a very good reason. I forgot to buy the scallions. So here's me bringing it up with a meal. Is it bad that I forgot to buy scallions?
Not really. You have onions, you're fine. I'll just add flavor. I'll just say it makes it more like, it just layers more flavor, that's all. That's fine. Yeah, that's perfect. You chopped it up too?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. Okay, that's good.
You sure, man?
That looks good. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. So much different size. So different sizes. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. You have the you have the stuff. Your onions are not cut evenly. Your garlic are too big, and your sausage chorizo is not even sizes. So otherwise,
So another thing that was included was actually a blend of spices. Motherfucker, don't embarrass me. Stop embarrassing me. Don't embarrass me, please. Stop it. Just open. What was in that blend was thyme, parsley, Spanish paprika, cayenne, black pepper, and oregano. Isn't that crazy? Don't waste. fucking eyes. Get brown. Get brown. Get. That is just a big piece of fucking onion. Chopped like this. Oh, it chopped. I'm just expressing the oils. Okay, that's looking brown enough. This is coming from someone in Nats who doesn't know how to cook. If his fucking life dependent on it, what would just to add this dead ass the rice to it? But I'm a plebeian. That's why it doesn't make sense to me. All I've lived with was a rice cooker, and thus I'm gonna bring it to a crisp. So after conversing with the meal, we mix until she boils. Anyway, so now at this point I have to add the chili because it's bubbling, it's boiling, and then I have to put it to a simmer. Oh, motherfucker! Ow! Oh! Who cuts himself with a fucking safety lid? I do, motherfucker. Oh shit. Oh, I'm bleeding. Ugh, there's fucking iron taste in the chili, man. Like, what's going on there? Wish I knew. It's so crazy. It's so weird. Everything went according to plan, and I got a band-aid from my upstairs neighbors, and they're like, oh my gosh, you must have hurt yourself very valiantly, and I had to agree. Perfect. Take it off. Great. Fantastic. Shit. Fuck. Because I don't have butter, which was instructed for me to get, I will just add my seasoning. So I don't have regular salt, and I have a ton of this shit. Look, it looks tasty. I have completed a thing in one pot. A one-pot method, as they say. They being meal. It tastes like food, 100%. Much worse than a meal. However, I could happily say that I'm a winner. Actually, and I'm not faking my family. I never thought it would be so successful.